In today's fast-paced manufacturing world, efficiency and quality are everything. Meet PC Doctor Factory, the industry-leading diagnostic solution that helps computer manufacturers and assemblers deliver defect-free systems with cutting-edge Industry 4.0 technology. Deliver flawless customer experiences with PC Doctor Factory. Reduce out-of-box failure rates with comprehensive component and system testing, ensuring every device meets the highest quality standards before it leaves your production line. Industry 4.0 is all about smart automation. PC Doctor Factory seamlessly integrates into your production line, validating incoming parts and subassemblies. Automated burn-in testing ensures headless systems are fully functional before deployment, reducing post-production failures. Eliminate costly rework. PC Doctor Factory validates that every system is configured correctly before it leaves the production line. Your reputation depends on quality. Well-structured data coupled with machine learning techniques help identify patterns and trends in your data set. The future of manufacturing is here, and it starts with PC Doctor Factory. Smarter testing, faster troubleshooting, higher quality products, all powered by Industry 4.0 innovations. Try it for yourself. Contact us to set up a free evaluation today.